everyone. So I have all these press-ons that I've made, or my, practice nails, and I just keep them in this, and it's getting way too full. And I want to be able to have, them so when a year from now or 2 years from now or whatever, I can look back on them and see my progress and how far I've come, So I've been wanting to get one of those storage books from like Amazon. They also have them on Temu and stuff. But then I was at my local dollar store, the Family Dollar, the other day, and they had this. It's just like one of those plastic binders, and I can't see it very well. But it's just one of these, plastic binders, and they have these dividers. And essentially that's pretty much what those books are that you're buying. So I thought maybe I would try to make one. I have double-sided tape. I only have a little bit of the red one left, but I have regular double-sided tape that I'm going to use. And I thought I would show you guys making it. So if somebody else wanted to do it, you could see how I did it and maybe try too. So, yeah, that's what I'm doing. Tape I have, or it's not red, it's the thing to cover it is red. So I only have a little bit left of this. I do want to get some more because I really like this. But I also have just regular, double-sided tape. So I was thinking about trying that and seeing if that works as well. I don't know. We'll see what works. If it doesn't work, I'll have to get some more of this. So the first thing I'm going to do, I guess, is I set my nails to the side for now. I'm going to open up this thing of the dividers and check them out. Because I guess the goal or the idea is pretty much just sticking the double-sided tape and the nails to these. I mean, they're not paper, they're like plastic, so I think it's gonna work just fine, because by the looks of it, the ones online that you can buy are pretty much the same thing. And then I also have like these things that go in here, but I was thinking about maybe using these and like sticking it too with like dates or something. I don't know, we'll see how it goes. So here I'm just putting the inserts into the binder. Of course I'm struggling with it because it's me. I decided to leave the front page blank. I'm not sure why, I just thought it would look nice. And then here I am trying to size it to see how many would fit. I wish I had done this a little bit better, to be honest, and I'm probably going to end up redoing it and organizing it better, like my older ones and my newer ones, like separated more, because right now I just have them all kind of in there wherever they went, and there's no like organization to it. It's kind of just there. And I do wish I had organized it a little bit better, so I'll probably redo it at another time, but I think it worked out pretty good. You'll see here as I go. I'm gonna have to figure out what to do or how to do it because of the things that go in the practice hand. It wouldn't stick because it wasn't touching, and then I tried to just stick these down and it wouldn't stay. So I'm gonna have to either maybe cut this off somehow or figure something else out for these ones. But so far so good. I think it's gonna work out pretty good. I forgot some of them have dates on, others do not, so I don't know like how I'm gonna do that part of it, but I'm just gonna keep going on it, and I will be back to talk to you guys after. Here I'm just showing the ones that I couldn't put in there. They either had the, you know, the bumps on it that from the practice hand, or they were single ones. They wouldn't stick to the tape. I think it would just, that type of tape wouldn't work with it. I think the thicker tape that's on like the red would work better, but I didn't have very much of that, so I just stayed with the double-sided tape that I did have. I'm gonna try to get some more regular tape and some of those clear things to put them on, so I can do it a little bit better and organize it more. But here it is, it's all done. It works. It's better than nothing, and it's way better than what I had, so I'm happy with it. If you guys have any questions, let me know, and I will update it once I get more stuff to, you know, try to make it better. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you liked the video. I do need to get a better phone stand so I can hold it away or up higher so you guys can see better, because I notice as I'm editing it, you can't really see much. So I'll do that and try to do better. Thanks, guys. Bye.